Hi homeowners and condo unit owners! For today's video, we will visit the successful project at Rockwell here in Makati. Before that, pupunta muna kami ngayon dito sa The Grid located at Rockwell Power Plant Mall para sa aming lunch. And we had itong katsu ramen at itong malalaking tempura na sobrang sarap. After that, we went to our room to check in. And look how spacious our room is. And this is of course the living area. And this is my room for tonight. Oh, ayan. Ang bilis lang magbihis at naka-modern Filipiniana na. O diba, lakas mo congressman? And of course, kasama natin ang ating mga fellow colleague brokers to attend to tonight's event dito pa din sa Rockwell Power Plant Mall sa 5th Function Event Hall. Ayan, bumungad na agad sa amin ang mga raffle tickets and hopefully isa tayo sa mga mabubunot. And syempre, need nating i-drop ang raffle ticket sa Dropbox para mapanalunan ang grand prize ng isang condominium Rockwell unit ay Apple Mac M3 fully paid. Inom muna tayo with the candle effects for the 2024 Brokers Banquet as we celebrate in this evening of local luxuries and exclusive rewards and perks. Before the program, we had our photo shoot na pangmalakasan na family picture ng Rockwell top sellers. And we've tried their cocktails also, and ayan, look so good. Syempre, before anything else, picturean muna. Look at this. We had a sumptuous food this evening. And ayan, kain muna tayo at magpakabusog-lusog. So the long wait is over. It's raffle time. Ayan, sadly, hindi tayo nabunot sa mga gift certificate. Bawi tayo sa Apple products. And of course, this is my favorite part for tonight's program, the real estate market trend and updates. Rockwell will launch and expand to various provinces, so stay tuned. We have in Bulacan, syempre sa Angeles, Pampanga, Bacolod, even sa South sa Laguna and other provinces. So ayan, may pa Q&A portion pa sila and it's so perfect that one of our colleague broker is being selected to answer the question. And napasakto pa ang tanong sa Pampanga broker. At syempre, hindi rin mawawala ang best dress and start of the night. So very beautiful. And ito na ang raffle time for the Apple products. Hopefully, mabunot na tayo. And of course, hindi rin mawawala ang awarding portion for the top seller of the last year 2023. So next in line na tayo dyan, aakyat din tayo sa stage with awards and recognition for this year 2024. Sobrang generous talaga ni Rockwell. May pa-chocolates pa. Thank you, Rockwell. And of course, hindi tayo mawawala sa party time. Let's go party! Oops, wait, there's more. Sarap ng puto bongbong at bibingka. So yeah, let's go for party. Did you know that there will be a Rockwell here in Pampanga? Yes, you've heard it right. It is located at the heart of Angeles City and it's one of the provincial Rockwell that has a power plant mall where you can experience how the storied Rockwell lifestyle blends with the rich Kapampangan taste and with a generous open space. Exciting, isn't it? So stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Rockwell updates. For day 2, we had our condo tour. So ayan, sobrang elegant and luxurious scale model ng Rockwell. Imagine na magtatayo ng ganyan dito sa Pampanga. So together with us is Miss Sam, our tour guide for today inside the Rockwell. What are we waiting for? Let's visit the model unit. That might be one of your inspirational interior design on your unit at Rockwell. Di na kami kailangan mag-sales talk pa dahil the property will just tell you how premium it is. Our next stop is the Balmori. Look at the lobby. Sobrang spacious and elegant. By the way, this condo unit has 232 square meter of floor area and sobrang ganda. It has a 3-bedroom. Look how beautiful it is. Our last stop is at the Proscenium. Ito ang pinaka-love ko sa lahat. Sobrang ganda, simple yet elegant, which is we visited at the top floor unit. Kita mo ang buong Makati. Syempre, we won't forget the generous amenities of Rockwell, which is more than 1 hectare. That includes swimming pool, basketball, and tennis court, and the clubhouse wherein you can enjoy and relax. So after the exciting tour, we had our lunch at the perfect pin inside the Rockwell, and sobrang giving ng food and the presentation up to the taste. The food is really so perfect. Get to know more the upcoming condominium projects here in Rockwell, just feel free to message us and we're more than happy to help you. Bye for now!